two of the most famous statues in the world, the Statue of Liberty in New York and Christ the Redeemer in Rio de Janeiro. Both are symbols of hope, both attract millions of visitors. But which one is the ultimate icon? Let's compare. Statue of Liberty versus Christ the Redeemer. Which icon wins? History and symbolism. The Statue of Liberty was gifted by France in 1886, symbolizing freedom and democracy. Christ the Redeemer, completed in 1931, stands as a symbol of faith and peace overlooking Rio. Both are not just statues, they're powerful symbols. Size and structure. Statue of Liberty stands 305 feet tall, including its pedestal. Christ the Redeemer reaches 125 feet but stands atop Corcovado Mountain, making it look even more commanding. One dominates with sheer size, the other with presence. Location and views. Lady Liberty sits on Liberty Island with sweeping views of Manhattan and New York Harbor. Christ the Redeemer offers panoramic views of Rio, Sugarloaf Mountain and Copacabana Beach. Both locations are unforgettable. Visitors and popularity. The Statue of Liberty attracts around 4 million visitors yearly. Christ the Redeemer draws over 2 million and is one of the new 7 wonders of the world. Popularity is strong on both sides. Accessibility and travel costs. In New York, ferries to Liberty Island cost around $25. In Rio, trains or vans to Christ the Redeemer average $15 to $25. Both are affordable experiences for such global icons. Pop culture and recognition. The Statue of Liberty has starred in countless films, from Independence Day to The Day After Tomorrow. Christ the Redeemer has been featured in Fast and Furious and global sports events like the Olympics. Both statues are instantly recognizable worldwide. If you love history, freedom, and the New York skyline, the Statue of Liberty is your icon. If you crave breathtaking views, spiritual symbolism, and Brazilian energy, Christ the Redeemer takes the crown. In the end, both belong on your bucket list. Which statue would you choose? Statue of Liberty or Christ the Redeemer? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more epic travel comparisons.